Good morning, guys. I am sick. I'm sick as a dog, and I'm frustrated because I am not able to get a video up today. It's Sunday, September 1st. But I am, as you guys can hear, I'm sick. So I wanted to, however, include more vlogs on my channel. So a huge part of my life is health and fitness and trying to eat right. It's a passion of mine, and I would like to share more of that on my YouTube channel. While I love fashion as well as health and fitness tied into home. So I just want to include a little bit more of that on my channel. I just got a 2-mile run in, and I'm so proud of myself. I get hives when I run or when I do high intensity movements. I get extremely itchy. Hives cover my body, arms, legs, and I get really miserable. This usually lasts maybe like 2 to 3 weeks of getting into doing more high intensity workout, and then it usually mellows out, but it makes it really difficult to get into the cardio part of it because I just can't stand the itch. So I stop and then I don't push through. So for that reason, my cardio has been lacking. But now that I have a groove with my workout and I've really been back on my grind, I am challenging myself for the month of September to include more cardio into my routine. On upper body days is when I'll try to get that cardio in, because for lower body days, of course, I want to rest. So today I thought like getting some cardio in this morning would help me feel a little bit better, and it does help. So I challenged myself to do a 2-mile run, and I was able to do it. I was miserable for the entire run, was a bit miserable for me, but I did push myself to do it. I did take a leave. I wish I had taken that before. I took that before in a previous time when I was running, and it didn't really help, which is why I wasn't motivated to try it this time. But moving forward, I'll take that before my run and just see if that helps. So I got a 2-mile in of running, and I got a 1-mile in of walking, total of 3 miles plus the 1 mile I did Thursday. So we're in 4 miles this week. That's amazing. My week typically starts on a Monday. I usually use Sunday to prep for the week. So I don't know if, I think Sunday is going to be starting off the week for me versus ending the week. I think I'm going to start looking at it as the beginning of my week to help keep myself a bit more organized. So now I'm going to have my protein shake. For one, I really took my time to clean. As you guys can see, I ran out of my protein, so I do need to get another one. But I really wanted to try and do a dairy-free September because I know I'm lactose intolerant, and it's starting to get worse, and I've been breaking out as well. So I don't know if it's like a combination, but I really want to see on like a couple of things here. I'm on my computer and I have my iPad. I was looking at other protein shake. I recently had the Sun Warriors protein shake, and it's okay. It's chalky a little bit, but I might end up just getting that because I need it. I've been wanting to get a closet door for my IKEA system. Just the 2 ends ones that I keep my shirts in and my pants, my jeans. I would like to get doors for those 2 pieces. So I'm just online right now looking at options. I wish there was like an easy way. Oh, here they are, doors, hinged. I wonder if it would be easier if I go to like the build closet, kind of how I did it the very first time. Let me see if I can build my closet. Oh wait. Go eat, Blue. Go eat. So I meal prepped some food last week. I think I did the Monday of last week. And I haven't eaten all day. It's currently 4:30, 4:20. So I'm gonna warm this. It's basmati brown rice, and then I have some chicken breast here with sauce that I baked. These tortilla style protein chips. We saw these at Target, and I thought it would be brilliant to have these with tacos. So one bag of chips has 19 grams of protein and 4 grams of net carbs. So I thought it would be so interesting to try these. And I'm gonna make ground beef, and then we can use the chips to dip into the ground beef. I feel like that will be so good. So I'm excited for this today. I also have some ground beef, and I have like 2 sweet potatoes. I want to bake these today, and then I'm gonna do some ground beef to put on the side of this. So I'll just have sweet potatoes and ground beef during the week. I might fry egg to put on top each day. It depends, but that's what I want to prep for this week. Lunch. I mean dinner. What should I have for lunch? The beef that I've been getting, and this is my second time getting this. I've been shopping at Sprout recently because there is a Sprout that opened up next to us. So the beef I've been getting from there is their brand. It has 24 grams of protein, 24 grams per every 4 ounce. So I am going, and it's 96% lean meat and only 4% fat. So I'll be making these. I have a few of these in the freezer. I think I decided to stop and go shower because I just wasn't feeling the best. So, and I kind of been dirty all day, so I was like, let me shower and then I can go finish what I was doing. But before I showered, I added a little bit of relaxer to my hair in the back because the back stands up the most. And the first time I did it for 5 minutes. So I did it again and did it for like 5 minutes. And I love how it's laying. The front, I feel like I'm gonna need to add more color or more relaxer to the front to lay it down because it's up a little bit, but I'll do that like next week. So for now, it should be fine. Like around my ears tend to lift a little bit. I'm adding a little bit of gel over those areas. I don't like too much of the gel because it makes it too crispy. So I'm just gonna add it in the areas I think I will need it. See that? It just lays it nicely. I did tone my hair a deeper color. It's a ritual that I brush my brows. I have not done my brows in a very long time because I'm growing it out, the edges, so the edges get a bit bushy. So I just like to brush it in place. And that's that. So let's put our clothes on and then we're gonna go back downstairs and finish what we're doing in the gym. I want to reorganize just a little bit. I would like to move the treadmill closer. I need an extension cord to do that, especially since I'm going to be using that a bit more. This is a Gymshark sports bra. I just don't feel like having a strap, so I tucked that in. And these pants I got from the TikTok shop. And I've been living in these. Honestly, quite literally, I've been living in these. So they're just nice and baggy. There they are. Really comfortable. Since I keep getting hot and cold, I'm just gonna keep this on. Before I go downstairs, I want to quickly show you guys which part of the closet I wanted to get a closet door for. See, this is exposed, and honestly I would just like for this to be covered. I think I would get the regular door with the crown molding on there. This I'll leave open. I think I'll just organize this a little bit better, and I feel like I can add one more shelf in here because there's so much space between this one and this one. I think I can get one more shelf in this slot right here for sneakers and whatnot because I do have more shoes downstairs. And these, eventually I think I will get the glass doors for this and this, like the one you can see through, not the frosted one. And I want to close this up and I want to close that up. That's kind of the plan. I recently bought this coat rack, but it is way bigger than I thought it was going to be, so I just feel like it's taking up a lot more floor space. But I've been loving this wine. It's not the most dry wine, but it's not sweet at all. It's just right. If you like dry wines, you would not like this. Storm, no jumping. That was not what you was. That's no. keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, oh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Birthday girl, go birthday girl, go birthday girl, go birthday girl. Where you going? Happy birthday, mama. I love you, mama.
Tuesday morning, and I didn't realize because yesterday was Labor Day. I've been up since 7 something, but I was busy, so I thought I had time to work out later, but I don't. So it's currently 9:19. So what I'm gonna do is go downstairs and get my run in. I want to see if I can do 2 miles today because I feel good, but it depends how the hives are. If I took my allergy medicine, I hope it helps, is to help with hives. So depending how my body is, if I can run 2 miles, I'll try to run 2 miles. That should be less than 30 minutes, depending on my speed, and then I can just do my upper body later on today. So let me just show you guys what I'm wearing quickly. This hat is from my friend's brand, but I'll link below the plain hat from Amazon. This shirt is from Amazon. It's a zipper, and my bralette is Gymshark, of course. And I keep my sneakers in the basement. Because it makes it much easier to wear it when I'm just down there, because I don't want to walk through the house with it. So let's go down. So now I'm about to drink my protein shake. It came this morning. I've been trying protein powders this entire year. I've been trying different protein powders to just see which one I love. So this is, the next one up is Vega Life. 1 scoop of this is gonna give me 30 grams of protein. My protein daily goal is like 130 grams of protein daily that I like to hit. And the protein powder really gets me now 30 grams because I can get the 100 grams of protein in. It's an additional 30 that really be in the way. Not bad. This has that classic chalky dairy-free taste. Hey guys, so I am heading to my nails tech. Just this nail that was lifted. So I reached out, I just texted her. Usually I just go in and I'll call the place and go in and see if somebody's able to fix it. But I texted her and told her, you know, I have an emergency, and sent her a picture of the nail. Now I do have an appointment. Let's turn this down. I do have an appointment scheduled for next week Friday with her to do a refill, but I also have like somewhere to be next week Friday. A friend of ours is like hosting something next week Friday, so I just texted her. I don't know if she's gonna be able to do the refill today or if she's just fixing these nails. The system that I work on my job, the website is currently down, so I couldn't really work anyways. I was working earlier and then the site kind of just like shut down. I've had 2 jobs now for like the past, like since 2021, beginning of 2021, and I recently, like I gave them like a 3-month notice that I will be leaving them because I would like to extend on my schooling and just shift a gear there. I'm grateful for the job that I've had with them. I've learned so much. With this company, so I'm really grateful because I've learned how to communicate. I've learned a lot about business. It is I was their listing agent for a couple of years, so I have gathered so much information that I'm sure could come in handy. But even how I communicate with people, I'm not nervous. It's really like helped me with my confidence in communicating with other people in my field, in my line of work, or outside my line of work. So I'm grateful for that. But the job kind of fell in my lap when I started doing that work. I had no experience in the field, so I'm grateful that they took a gamble on me. And I just think it's time that I walk away from that. So I'm really excited for what's to come. I'm extremely excited. I'm scared a little bit also, because the route that I'm going to the tech route, and I would love to go in the tech route because I love tech so much. I love anything tech. So I'm shifting gear in that area right now. And my primary job that I'll be focusing on now is also tech based. I am more so the tech department of that company is still sort of forming. So I'm excited because I get to pull out of my energy. So today is like the first official day. It's September 3rd. So today is the first official day where I no longer have two jobs, and the amount of relief I feel today is so amazing. I'm so grateful and blessed that I'm able to even walk away from that job. The huge stress of it for me was more so renting units, getting units off the market, stress from the market, that sort of thing, especially following 2020. I think things just kind of, I don't know, the market is not the same anymore, and it's extremely stressful. So I'm just so blessed. I'm so grateful, so grateful. One, that I can sustain myself off one job, and then two, that I get to work on another passion of mine and just see where it goes. So I'm excited. If you guys can tell, I'm really excited. So I just wanted to share a little bit of that with you guys. So now I am pulling into my nails area to see what we about to do. I don't know what this guy is doing, but I'll just back up into this spot. I'm used to a big car where you can see the mirror, the camera in the back shows you backing up. So I just like pulled up front, and I looked over there looking to see the back, but this car doesn't have it. Can't wait to get myself a nice car, y'all. I have not had a nice car for myself for a very long time. A lot of the cars I've been driving has been used. Grateful, but I'm just excited, hopefully. So anyways, let's go get this nails fixed. Mega nail. Hi, Jen. Done. I'm all fixed up. She's so sweet. She didn't charge me. I think I'm gonna go to my mom's house to bother them for a little bit. I'll work from there. I have my computer in the trunk, so I think I might get a Starbucks drink. I think I might get a matcha latte. I saw this video on TikTok of a girl recommending how to make your matcha latte, and I tried it and loved it. So I'm gonna go order that. I don't remember how to do it, but I did screenshot it. I have to call my mom and sister and see if they want Starbucks. Etiquettes that they clearly don't have. Hi, can I please get a venti iced matcha tea latte? A matcha latte? Can I get light ice with that?
Sure. Venti iced matcha with light ice?
Yes, with oat milk. Okay. And to that, can you please add 2 pumps of chai, 3 pumps of white mocha, and a sweet cream vanilla cold foam.
Sure.
Yep.
Anything else?
That's all.
Does the screen look okay?
It didn't load up.
Oh, okay, no problem. Let me just read it off. Venti iced matcha latte, 2 pumps of chai, 3 white mocha with milk, light ice, and sweet cream milk, right?
Yes, perfect.
Perfect. 1026. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I need to get toner for my hair because I want to bleach my wig. I didn't do it yesterday. I was too tired. I was in like one of those moods where I just wanted to relax. I did start reading my book because I ordered this book series that I've been wanting to read for a while, but I haven't been able to do a lot of stuff recently. So I did start reading yesterday, and I started back doing my crossword puzzle. It really helps me with my focus and attention span because I realized, like, with Instagram and work and all of that, my mind wanders a lot. Like, I'm an overthinker, so my mind, my God, so amazing. They made it better this time than they did the last time I got it. This is so creamy. Oh, it's so good. I'm an overthinker, so I live in my head a lot. I process things a lot slower. My mind tends to wander, and that's something that I've noticed within like the past 3 years or so since COVID. I'm blaming everything on COVID. Everything is COVID's fault. But my attention span is just so off, along with so many other people, honestly, because every content is like shortened, everything has been shortened, so it's really difficult to pay attention to something longer than a couple of seconds or minutes or stuff like that. Even with podcasts, I'm a avid like podcast listener. I listen to podcasts a lot, usually when I'm driving, when I'm cleaning. I am getting back into doing puzzles because that really helps me stay focused, and that's going to help me with reading as well, because same thing, I couldn't really read without just dozing off, which is why those two things I really want to incorporate, daily puzzles and reading, into even like 15 minutes of reading. If I go past those 15 minutes, great. If I don't, put in 15 minutes of reading a page or two, and I did that yesterday, so I'm just excited. Hey guys, I'm putting gloves on because I did go ahead and bleach my wig, and I'm about to go wash it out. Probably can't really pick it up that well on camera, but yeah. And the top of it is warm, which I like, and it fits into like a lighter color. I do have it drenched in conditioner, wrapped in this bag, and I'm just gonna leave it here until I get back home. I am about to head to my mom's house because I'm gonna go help her do her hair. I got you guys on my actual vlog setup with this smaller lens. The lens difference between this lens I'm using, this is the the Tempron lens that I normally use at home and for my setting video. I like this for vlog because it has a much wider, as you guys can see, like this is as wide as it gets, whereas this one would have shown you everything. We're just wearing these sweatsuits are from Skims. The top is from Skims also. dripping sweat, guys. I ran 5 miles. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my back is like wet. I ran 5 miles. Guys, I ran 5 miles. I'm so excited. I really just wanted to do an hour on it. I didn't know how much miles I'll be able to do within an hour. So an hour was my goal. And I ran for an hour and like 2-3 minutes. I did 5 miles, 5.04. So I'm going to use this massager right now because I know I'm going to be sore. So I am trying to exactly use this. I bought this for Babe years ago, and he, oh shit, I have to charge it. Okay, so, oh no, yeah, I have to charge this. So let's charge this. I am sweating all here, so I need to shower. I wanted to go to IKEA to get my closet doors. Hey guys, it is Friday, and I just filmed, which is why I look put together. I'm leaving now to go to my sister to get her car because I want to go to IKEA. Initially, I was going to just order my closet door and have it delivered, but I was too indecisive on what door I wanted. So I'm gonna go in person and just look at the doors to figure out which one I want. I'll be more happy when I am in the store and I pick it out. So I am going to use her car because she has a freaking huge ass car, beautiful car that I want, but that's besides the point. So I'm gonna go get her car and drive up there by myself. I wish I had a friend to go with me, but nobody wants to go with me, so whatever. But I actually don't mind shopping alone because I'm a loner. I like to listen to music and not talk to anybody other than myself in the car, clearly. I've been eating all day. Other than the protein shake I had, I didn't really eat anything else. I just had a protein bar. This banana one was leaving. Now I'm gonna eat this as well. Bye, Mama. That's right enough. Mama, that they like a lot of swear will be left on the side of the road. I beg you. Yes, you will. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Oh, you need help? Asleep. Do you hear her snoring again? Somebody. I'm tired. Oh, your baby. She's sleepy. That I want, and this is the name. So these are the ones that I'm interested in. These doors I wanted to see in person, but with gold handles. See, these I didn't see online, but I don't know how I feel about this having a mirror. Yeah, no, because it's gonna reflect everything
on the door. That's one. And then when I'm filming, I feel like it will be hard to, because you can see through it. So, but this isn't bad though. This is kind of cute. Let's check the fit out. Okay, much better. I turned it sideways because I was concerned that it will bend and break because it's very floppy. I am so excited, yo. So as I'm coming out, I had placed the order on my phone. I didn't pay for it. I just requested it, but I had to go to the checkout to pay for it. So before going to the checkout, I went to the as is section at IKEA. And I found 2 doors for $65. 2 out of the 3 doors, because I needed 3 doors. I found 2 for $65 each, which is a steal because one of them is like $130. And then if you buy the hinges are $24. Obviously, it didn't come with hinges, so I had to buy the hinges separate, but it's 24 pack. So that was so good because with the hinges it's $150, so I spent $65 on 2 doors. So since I saved a little bit, I saw a rug in the as is section that I bought also for our dining room that I think is gonna look really nice in the dining room. Right now we have a white rug that I put there temporarily. It's too big. I have dogs, so I'm going to take that out. But I'm so excited that I went in the as is section. So I only bought 2 new doors, one of the regular door, and I'll show you guys everything when I get home. But I'm excited, so let's go. It's a problem. Talia, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Huh? That's doggy food. You can't eat doggy food. Let's get in the car. Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do.
like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do. Like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected.